Need your Chime bank statement for 2025? Here's how to find and download them in second right from the app. So let's go. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So launch the Chime mobile app as normally you would do, and on the top left corner, tap the gear icon to open your settings menu. Okay, once your settings page, all you have to do is scroll down until you find the label which is called documents. All you have to do is tap on it. Now choose this account statement, and here you will see monthly statement listed by month like January through December. For example, to view your November 2024 2025 for you, 2024 for me, all you have to do is tap on this November, and here you will see your full PDF statement will load. You can save or share it directly for tax or proof of income or other personal need. And that's it. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.